the Cox Business and Convention Center in an attempt to try and make up for lost time.
There's a different kind of business in the Cox Business Center today, the business of justice.
We are having a misdemeanor docket over at the Cox Convention Center. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we had several cases that had to be postponed.
District Court Judge Dawn Moody never thought she'd be holding court in an event center, but she says it was the best way to get caught up on a deep backlog of cases.
With the unusual circumstances that we are in, we tried to get creative, and unfortunately the courthouse just doesn't have a space big enough. Fortunately, the convention center does.
Space is the main reason court is out of court today. With social distancing, using the convention center was the best way to get in as many people and cases as possible. District Attorney Steve Kunzweiler says the pandemic has shown an even brighter light on the inefficiencies of the current courthouse.
That courthouse, you've heard me say this many times, it's way past its warranty. We need something a little bit more horizontal, I would say, than vertical in order to meet the demands of a modern society and modern criminal system.
At the front of the room, a production line of justice. Judges lined up to hear cases quickly, fairly, and efficiently. In the back, public defenders and district attorneys separated by a wall. This setup won't cure the backlog problem in a day, but it will make a dent.
The goal ultimately is to try and get this backlog down so that we can move forward. We've got a lot of cases of people who are sitting at jail, and we've got to get our jury trials up and running. So that's kind of the next big phase is, how do we get these jury trials going where it's safe for the jurors when they come into the courthouse?
When that next phase will be is yet to be determined. Tyler Butler, News Channel 8.